Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Measure app and granting camera and motion access so the app can see and track surfaces. Once done, tap Start or simply move your phone slowly to let the app calibrate. This establishes stable tracking. Next, aim the camera at the first anchor point of the object and tap the plus marker to place it. You're creating the origin. Make sure the camera is steady and the anchor is well lit so the app captures the surface accurately before proceeding. Now you continue by moving the camera smoothly along the object toward the target edge. Abrupt movements break tracking. As you approach the second point, keep the subject centered and steady. When aligned, tap plus to place the end marker and watch the on-screen distance readout update in real time. If measuring corners or angled surfaces, use the grid or 3D rectangle tool to snap edges. These tools improve accuracy by locking to detected planes. To finish, review the measurement on screen and tap record or save to keep the result in photos or the app history. This preserves the annotated image. You can switch units or use compare and ruler views for finer checks and to validate against a tape measure. If a result looks off, don't panic. Verify by rescanning the same points. As a troubleshooting tip, if tracking drifts, close the app, relaunch, and move your phone in a figure 8 to recalibrate sensors before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.